Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little tip. So we're doing a lot of cooking in the kitchen, washing our hands 1,001 times. Sometimes people use their dish towel to wipe their hands, even wipe down the counters. You can't be throwing a dish towel in the dryer every 20 minutes. I mean, you can, but it just doesn't make sense. So at around 155 degrees, the coronavirus dies. So if you feel that there's bacteria in your towel, take the towel, open the microwave, throw it in, shut the door, hit it to 45 seconds, hit start, keep an eye on it, and the radiation and the heat will kill the coronavirus. So there's no need to be changing out your dish towels 10 times a day. You know, every day, every other day, depending upon how much you use it, is fine. So we're going to take this out. It's at 25 seconds. 20 seconds, 25. 20 more seconds, we'll take it out. And you'll be able to see the steam coming off of the dish towel. And the coronavirus, if it's even on there, will be gone. Okay? So don't put, of course, you know, phones never stops ringing. But, so there we are. It's done. We're taking it out. It's steaming. Don't put it in there dry. I don't recommend it. This thing is sanitized. It's clean. Screw the coronavirus. We don't need it. We don't want it. And you don't have to have it in your house. This is Luigi, the Italian cooking guy, coming at you with some logic on getting rid of this coronavirus in your home. We'll see you soon, and stut the buon, my paisans.